Red Energy makes a difference in the energy industry by offering reliable and durable renewable energy solutions. They make it more accessible to more businesses. With pioneering work in research and development, they provide complete solar systems.
This is the SigenStor, the first commercially available energy control system with artificial intelligence. It learns your consumption behavior while reading the load shedding schedule and the weather forecast to make sure that you never run out of power while giving you optimal savings.
Red Energy sells improved energy generation and utilization to businesses rather than just mere solar power systems. Red Energy specializes in energy management systems on a commercial and industrial level. These include various solar systems, water pumps and batteries that help reduce your dependence on traditional energy sources.